So I have a Amazon Echo and a Wemo switch, and I've got it to where it will turn on a water pump whenever I click that button, but it'd be nice if I could have it automatically turn the pump off in case I forget, because the pump only needs to run for about 1 minute. It's a hot water pump to bring the water from the water tank into the rest of the house. So the Wemo app has a rules section where you can add an auto off timer, and that will make it switch off after it's been on for a set amount of time. And I'll just do 1 minute because I know through testing that's how long it takes of running the pump to actually bring hot water through the house. And that will be it. I'll just hit save. It says none selected. I guess I have to click this. It looked to me like it was already selected, but it's with a check mark there. Now I'm curious as to what device enforces these rules, if it's the Wemo app and if it'll still work with the Amazon Echo, or if it actually somehow installs the rule on the Wemo switch itself. Now, I'm not really sure where the rule resides and which device has the counter in it that checks to see if it's time to turn off, but I guess we will find out. So first I'll test and see if the app works. I'll switch the pump on, and then I'll see if it turns off in a minute. That would be a basic test. So I think it's been about 45 seconds, so we're watching to see the pump turn off. Has a green lit up power symbol thinking that it's on, but the actual Wemo switch, the power button is off. There's usually a blue LED. In fact, I can switch it on by clicking it. Pump is running now. So this time I turned the pump on by clicking the button, and it ran for a minute, and the pump's not running anymore. So that's pretty cool. It seems like the rule must be stored in the switch itself, and the switch is what's doing the counting of the 1 minute and not relying on talking to the app. That's cool. We've got two of these Amazon Echo units. This one's hiding under the TV. So Alexa, turn water pump on.
Okay.
So sure enough, the pump has come back on, and the Wemo switch has a blinking power LED, which I'm assuming indicates that it's on, but it's on temporarily, and it should switch off after 1 minute. The switch just kicked off, and I can feel that the pump's no longer running. Let's try with Alexa number 1. Alexa, turn on the water pump.
Okay.
Well, let's check it now. And the pump's back on again. So from all of this running around, I've learned something interesting about how the Wemo switches work. And it's just auto 1 minute timer has turned it off. It works regardless if you turn it on using the button on the app, clicking the switch on the unit, or using any of the Amazon Echo devices, or maybe other, I'm not sure if Google Home or whatever other smart home devices, but it seems that it will work regardless of what source tells the switch to turn on. So it must store the rules and count in the switch itself. So that is pretty cool. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.